You look so sexy. Hi guys, good afternoon. It is Monday and the 10th of June, but it is Queen's birthday here in Melbourne and Adelaide, so it's public holiday for us, which is amazing. And then Mimi and I and Paris decided that we're going to Williamstown beach. There's like they've got like a mini cruise that's going on there, guys. So it is from Williamstown pier to the city and then back. So we invited Atian and her husband to come with us, so they are driving there now and we're gonna meet them there. And then yeah, so it is currently 12:48 in the afternoon. Got Paris in the car. She's not feeling her best, guys. She's been having I don't know, like mini fever during the night. I don't know, it's probably because of the weather. It's getting really cold, so we're making sure that, you know, she's all wrapped up and, you know, warm. And yeah, Mimi at the back. Say hi, Mark. Hi. 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 Yeah, so we can't wait to get there and see Atian. So yeah, guys, I'm just driving there now. It's not very far from here, so I'd say I don't know, maybe 15 minutes, or maybe I'm underestimating it. Maybe it's more than that. 20 minutes, I'd say. So we're taking Geelong Road right now, and then yeah, so we'll see you guys when we get there. So we're here now, guys, but first we have to pay for the parking. So guys, Atian, they're lost, guys. So I don't know where they are. I think their navigator took them to Williamstown station instead. Here's Paris. Hello. They're just in the car, guys. There's a parking next to us and I'm trying to keep this one because it's really hard to find parking here, guys. So I'm trying to save this for them. This spot. That's the dirty car. That's Mimi there, guys. Guys, na-save gid na mo ang kuan sa ila. Parking. Take Paris up. Hi guys, so we're here now. Say hi, honey. Hi. Na si Ate Ano giyang kuan king. Iyang birthday karon guys, Queen's birthday. Honey, may untag na libre. Oh, Williamstown Beach. Ay, ganang kuan di pier. Vlog po siya. Guys, mag-vlog na po siya. Hello. Have a look at my baby girl's outfit. Yay. Oh yes. What can you say about your nagtrabaho? Gani. Hey. Hi, sweetie. What a cute scarf. Hey, guys.
Dagan ka na palit sa kabayan, te?
Na kami ka na late na mi. Sweetie ko hi guys.
Yang amigo ba? Pasok ako sa airport. Gabi, sundo. Oo, sundo. Sundo naman ko lang.
Hey, look, there's birds. Can you see the birds? You look so sexy. Have a look at Paris's scarf. Yay! Nice. Daniel, ate! Ate, where are you going? Dali na straight. Oh yes! Are you excited? Magsakay nagbaruto guys. Mangisda, maglawod. Ti mabiyan mo sa tong barge ha? Ito big white island. Big white island. Ooh, I'm excited. Cold, yeah, it is. Freezing. The sun went away. So it's pretty cool. But yeah, yaka. Warm enough. Careful. Kayo OTD oh. Botswana. Representing Botswana. Mas kuya. Yay. Two. Yeah, two.
But you guys going in a group, right?
Yeah,
So you can pay separate. One.
So can we still do the 130 or something?
Yes, no, it's not yet. It's not a surprise.
Oh, okay. Sorry. We were stuck. Guys, we're here. Can you see the ship? Can you see the ship? That ship doesn't move, guys. It's just there for decoration purposes. Mimi. So we just got a ticket and we are just waiting for the pambot. Oh, you're so heavy, Nak. Up.
Hey, be careful, you might drop your phone, oh?
I know, it's so skinny. Yes. You wanna go walk? Go walk? Yeah. Careful. Guys, that That's the boat coming. Yeah, are you excited? Are you excited? Yeah. Are you excited?
Dito rin mo sakay dili diri. Kuan lagi ta uy pilingon lagi ta madako.
Bird. This bird. Yeah. Yes. There's bird. You excited? Asang life jacket ko? Turo oh, kato abay ka dito sa naikuan ko oh.
Kabalo lang ko sa dapat.
This. Wow.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Teresa 330.
No, Paris doesn't care. She's enjoying it. Wow, shut up. Yeah. Wow. Beautiful. is the boat there. And we're just gonna go to Southgate, probably to just get some hot drink. And Paris is with her tita. Tita Ann, hi Nak!
Why are you still here, huh?
It's busy guys, busy. We've got some magic going on there.
Uy, nakakadlok mga ako sa ingana. Uy.
There's some fire going on. Helicopter! Paris loves helicopter, guys. Oh yeah, we're going in there. So, Southgate. We are going to get some hot drinks, guys. Guys, I was wondering why it's dark here. It's actually because I've got sunnies on. Guys, that's where we're going for our hot chocolate. That Mimi is here already. Just queuing. What are you ordering, madam? Yeah. Guys, chocolates. Wow. Chocolates. Have it here. Huh? Just regular. Hey guys, we're just at Leeds in Southgate. Just having a hot chocolate because it's Christmas. And guess where's Paris? Where's Paris? Where is Paris? Paris is still having her meal, guys. Love bird. Jasmine ng Melbourne. So our flight is not until 3:30. Flight ano? Our sailing. So guys, we're here at the food court. So we're just ordering some food before we go back to the boat. Is that boat? Thank you. See ya. So we just got these honey chicken with the calamari, fried calamari, and fried rice, guys. So we will eat it when we are on board. So when we get to the boat, then we're gonna eat there. So hungry, guys, and we don't have time to eat here because we're leaving at 3:30 and it's already 3:20. Do we have enough time? We're walking back to the boat now, guys. So here's the beauty of Melbourne. Dito dapat nagkwantyo, nag-propose si Mike sa ako. Char!
Naka-bridge?
Oh, dato. So we've got our baon now, guys. Our baon. Kanon, guys, kay rice is life.
Lamig picture ba? Ingon din niya ba? Gabi mo ning paringgamot makakaon pabalik dito.
Yeah. Una ko ba makita mo sa akong kuan. La, sayo kay mo, guys.
Lagi guys, wala pa diyan guys.
Lingkod na sa mo diyo. Yeah, 3:30. No, not yet.
So it'll be about. This is incoming. Whoa.
Yes, it is us.
No, that's the other boat.
No, it's
It'll be about 10 minutes.
Yeah, no
Just have to
problems.
stop the signs for maybe 15.
Yeah, cool. That's all good. Woohoo. So the boat is not yet here, guys. It is approximately 15 minutes away, so we have to just chill here and wait for it. Paris is in the pram. She's quiet, so maybe she's sleeping. Nah. Yeah. I'm not gonna disturb her, guys. But yeah. So while waiting for the boat, guys, I'm just taking Paris for a walk. So she falls asleep because she badly needs a nap. Oh, see what's happening here, guys. There's lots of people. Let's go and check them out. Oh, look at this one. Boat now, guys. We're just boarding, aren't we, honey? Hello ba? Paibog-ibog, o dya. Maguyab pa lang gaya na sila bag-ukay. Na, bago pala sa nag-ilab.
Bago pa mga first love.
Ha? Gabi lang ang lokalo. Hi guys, we're nearly there. There's the ship. Are you crying? Ooh, that's fine. Thank you. Guys, we are back in Williamstown now. Woohoo. And yeah, it was fun, guys. For $25 per head, it was all worth it. And I think Paris enjoyed too. Did you enjoy, honey? Did you enjoy it? Huh? No? Why not? Yeah, guys, so thank you for watching today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed, and please like this video and also hit that subscribe button and be a part of this family. And yeah, so we'll see you guys in our next video. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye. Wait, bye sa movie, sa vlog. Bye. Bye.